Okay, so this is the 9th layout, and this is of my nephew. He's at the lake swimming, and the background is Making Home's carousel called Sweets. I'm going to do green. We got a Google Home. Tell it to play me anything I want on Pandora. Told it the other day, put on a set timer for 30 minutes. You just walk in and go, hey Google, how much time left on my timer? Oh, you have X amount of minutes. Yeah. So, I love it. It's cool. No. Don't push him off. No. No. You're not pushing him off sand if you want to be in here. Oh, never mind.
I wasn't pushing him, okay?
Yeah, you were. Sorry, Ben. No, it's the quality of the video. It's how it looks like on your screen.
Oh, 360
is less quality than 700.
720.
Yeah.
720 is the worst.
No, 720 is the best. The higher the quality, the better.
What about 480?
It's medium.
This is my second time going with 720. Did I do it for
Okay.
I did it with my
Alright, so this one I use strips. Come on, Patton, you come lay by me. I won't kick you off me. So the paint strokes pattern and plus sign pattern strips are 11 by 2 from Echo Park Summer Dreams, called Painted Strokes. It's of course the painted strokes is the on the reverse side is the plus sign pattern. And then the gray circle pattern strip is Pink Paisley Summer Lights.
I love the And where you found Patton?
My friend gave him to me for my birthday. After Murray died. She gave me him because he was black just like Murray, and he actually has the same personality as him. Yep. They're identical in personalities. Pretty close. Anyway, so there's my photo mat, or my one of the layers. That one is it's from Making Home's Carousel. It's called Summertime. And then I used a cardstock from my stash to cut the banner. Mm-hmm.
Have you ever watched Lego movie?
No.
Watch it premiere?
Yeah.
You want to?
I'm going to bed after this. And then the decorative brad, which actually isn't a brad, it's just a sticker, is goodness, what is it? I don't know. I'll watch them tomorrow. Oops, it's the hip kit. exclusive breads. Sorry, Patton. Alright. And so that hello puppy sticker is from the American Craft Stickers. And then, yeah, yay is also the stickers. And then that completes my layout. So thanks for watching. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those.
No, if you
Bye.
don't.
No, I have one more.
I can do that one.
Man, I'm tired.